What is up, J Speed Racing? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today, for having 4 hours of sleep, I am so hyped. Let me tell you why. Behind me in tow is my brand new 330 drift car. BMW E46. I sold that 325 I had, the junk or drift. We took that out for an event, decided against it. And today, as the title says, 330s, twin drift cars. Quick backstory. So whenever I first started drifting, I had an E36, white two-door. I still have that car, I still love it. And then my good buddy Andy wanted to get into drifting. He also got an E36 325 and it was white, it was a two-door, and we matched. We had twin drift cars. He sold his car, he moved on to an E46. I moved on to an S13. We have come around yet again. We are back, twin drift cars, E46 330, a little more power than the E36, the previous generation. And today we're gonna test them out together. Andy has been drifting a little bit with his 330. Today is my first event in my 330. Chilling back there in the trailer. That's enough talking, 2 hours ahead. Let's get to the track. Brand new track, brand new venue. Can't be more excited. Got all the boys with us today. Let's go. So what you just saw was our very first lap out, or technically our second lap out. So funny seeing these identical cars out here. They are the same. Everything's the same about them. One thing I need is a harness because I'm flopping all over the chair. However, hydro's working great. If you missed that last video, go ahead and check that out. Need a harness, that's on my list. However, running beautifully. The tune is great. Love the pops, love the bangs. And then Andy's car. Only difference is he has the harnesses, but if you can tell, it is the same thing. So I went ahead and put a little more PSI in the rear tires because I'm running a 265, which is actually massive for this car. And we just need some seat time. This is a brand new track. We've done 2 or 3 laps and we have a full day ahead of us of drifting. Seat time is key. Get comfortable with the car and get comfortable with the track. Let's get back.
Get up in there, Jordan.
All that brush.
No, get up in there.
I got in the end around. I was like,
Fire it up. I bet it runs. Ooh. Man, what a view. We're trying to figure out the entry, and I think second gear is the way that it needs to go. Kind of a slow second gear run up, and then hydro on the outside of the track, and then kind of carry it around. The track's kind of weird. We need to bump up PSI and wear these tires down a little bit. So right now I'm still really battling a lot of grip in my car. These 265 tires are honestly a little bit big for the E46 on this small kind of second gear track. Andy's doing a little flop right now of his tires to kind of maximize his tire life. So we're running some 265 scrubs on these bad boys. Maybe a 245 might be a little bit better off. However, we got our sprayers out yet again, watering these things down every few laps to make them last a little bit longer. It is great being in identical cars, so that way we can have no excuses and great tandems. What a day. E46 is held up great. He's doing a small,
you were walking, bro.
Full day drifting. We're only doing it one day this time. However, E46 is proven great. So we're gonna go ahead and load up, get the heck out of here. So much fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all that footage. Me and Andy had a blast. 246s, let me know what you think down in the comments below. These things are awesome, they rock. We got so many compliments, flames, the whole shebang. It's a dust bowl out here. We're gonna get out of here, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next video.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never